In the midst of a transforming world where cities thrived and trains surged forward, artists emerged from their studios to embrace the vibrant light of nature. They sought not perfection, but the essence of a moment, the flicker of illumination that danced across their canvases. This was the dawn of Impressionism, a revolutionary movement that redefined art, capturing not just images but emotions, a breath of fresh air, a brush of sunlight, a fleeting experience encapsulated in color. Originating in France between 1860 and 1880, Impressionism faced immediate rejection from the art establishment, labeled as too rough and unfinished. Yet the artists remained undeterred. They shunned strict conventions in favor of expressing feelings in their work. Each brushstroke was a reflection of what they perceived, a sensory embrace rather than a rigid interpretation. These pioneers celebrated the moment, conveying their experiences through the interplay of light and shadow, glimmering colors that evoked intimacy with the viewer. A hallmark of the Impressionist style includes loose, palpably bright brushstrokes and an absence of definitive outlines. In their masterpieces, scenes burst into life, urban landscapes, leisurely moments, and the natural world, all illuminated by the beauty of sunlight. Each painting shimmered with movement, breathing with the essence of its subject. Dissolving the boundaries of traditional art, Impressionists reframed daily experiences, transforming mundane activities, like a sunset over a river or a lady with a parasol, into profound poetry. Among the illustrious names in this revolutionary movement are Claude Monet, Pierre-Auguste Renoir, Edgar Degas, and Berthe Morisot. Monet, often regarded as the father of Impressionism, embodied the very heart of this artistic philosophy in his works like Impression Sunrise. Renoir celebrated life and joy, capturing the exuberance of gatherings in his vibrant canvases. Degas' focus on movement and everyday moments showcased dancers and racehorses, while Morisot's gentle and intimate pieces portrayed the soft side of femininity, creating bonds of connection through her art. In an age where photography had just been invented, Impressionists seized the opportunity to explore what cameras could not capture: emotions, atmosphere, and the delicate fluctuations of time. They were not mere imitators of reality. They were time travelers who preserved the ephemeral in every stroke of their brushes. Even as critics scoffed at their art initially, the Impressionists persisted outside the confines of societal expectations, ultimately opening the world's eyes to their radiant vision. As a result, Impressionism blossomed, a testament to the beauty found in life's tender, transient moments, striking a chord that resonates even today. Fleeting and fragile, Impressionism invites us to perceive the world anew, painting our interactions with light into vibrant masterpieces.